Hey y'all too, welcome back to Recreational with Lori and Sunny. Today we're building a faux beam fireplace mantle, so hang with us if you want to learn how to do it. Right here in this rectangle, that's why it's not finished, is because that's where the mantle is going to go, and Handy Stanley's going to show y'all how to do this thing. Step 1, measure the thing. Handy Stanley informed me that we're 71 1/16. So we're cutting, oh, I gotta tell y'all, we're using a 1x6 on the top, a 1x8 on the front, and a 1x6 on the bottom. Cause I didn't want it to stick out crazy far, cause we're already a foot out from the wall with this build out. Step 2, get yourself a miter saw.
Yeah, you gotta have a miter for this. It's the only way to do it.
Okay, and we're 45ing.
45ing all the ends of each board.
Yeah.
Go ahead and miter the ends of every board on 45. That's your total length.
Yes.
Which is 71 1/16.
Long end of your
That's
miter.
long to long.
We'll show you what that means. Long to long.
Okay.
That's mighty pretty. Okay, see how it's angled now? So long, the long point, not the short one. Long one to the other long one, and it's gonna be pointing the opposite way.
Like that.
Yeah, 71 1/16. So you can just flip your board over so you don't have to flop your saw back and forth. I get confused, but he's got it. Okay, and then you should have a board that looks like that on one end and that on the other end. Is this our front piece?
This is your front.
Okay, so it's gonna stand up. Gonna look like that. Okay, now we're moving to the table saw because we have to bevel this whole long side right here.
Yeah, both edges have to bevel
Yeah.
back this way.
So we have to go set the table saw on the angle and rip it. Step 3, step whatever. Cool. Now we gotta do this side. Yep. Okay, step whatever. Wood glue. You should have a piece of wood for the front that's all shaped all crazy like this. Mitered on every side. And then you should have 2 like this with a flat side and a beveled side. Bevel, miter, whatever. Now he's got his little, is this a pin nailer?
Pin nailer.
You'll never even see them. So glue, pin nails, Or if you don't have a pin nail or use a bigger one, then you can just use some wood filler and fill in the holes. Got that one glued and nailed. Now step 8, I don't know, step whatever. Put the other side on. Glue it and shoot it. Step, I don't know. Carefully flip it over. Looky, look, look. See?
You can line these up a little better.
Oh boy. Watch this. Look at that. Boop. Badoop. Badoop boop. Bam. That's beaming. Okay, let's do the other side. Now, Handy Stanley, we can't leave a gaping hole on the edge. We gotta make a side piece right there. 2 side pieces. For the mantle only. Not for you, Stanley.
Now, wood filler will take care of the rest.
What's the restaurant that says side meat on the menu? Side meat. Can't remember. 7 1/4 that way.
5 1/2.
Whatever a 1 by 6 is.
5 1/2.
Okay, so let's see what we need. We need a miter, flat. Miter, flat. Got it?
Got it.
Times 2. We need 2. There's one end. Miter, flat.
Yep, wood filler.
End piece. I call this the 18-minute mantle. It takes 18 minutes. That cool.
Whoop.
A wood filler.
For the imperfections. Because there's always imperfections.
It's wood, it's organic. But check it out. Don't that look like a beam sitting there? Sure enough. Looks really good. Okay, you should have a hollow looking box deal like this right here. Okay, part 12, I don't know. Story time. Okay, I love the color of this. Okay, it's called Weathered Oak. It was so pretty on the can. Oh my gosh. I buy this every single time I go to buy stain. I buy Weathered Oak and I want it to be pretty. And it never is. And I did it again. I did it again. But dang it, I'm using it. Like, it's pretty, but when you open it, it looks like gray paint and it makes me so mad. But we're gonna use it anyway because it's all I got with me and I really want to get this up today because it's so pretty. Here we go. Well, I stained it. Don't really look any different, but there it is. So, more than likely gonna go ahead and put it up and then tape around it and go over it with something. I tend to like provincial. I don't know. I have to see what works with the flooring. This actually don't look too bad with the floor. Kind of natural. We'll see how it looks. We need to attach it to the fireplace. So Handy Stanley is measuring down the thickness of the board, which is 3/4. It's the best way to do it right there. Use scrap piece. And then you already cut it?
Yep.
He has cut a 2x4 to length.
Minus the 3/4 on each end.
Minus 3/4 on each end.
Yep. Each one has less.
And then I'll show you what's there. It works though. It's a perfect fit. Woohoo! Oh, there it is. Oh wait. We gotta put the fireplace. It's a fireplaceless fireplace. Okay, let's get that in there. Here is the final look on the mantle. I lied. I like the stain now. I think it looks good with the flooring. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you guys think. I think I like it. Anyway, y'all, don't forget to be good and do good. And we'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. Love you. Bye.